So these are the items we'll be needing for our tutorial. I have my glass here. That's what I'll be using to trace the pattern I want. Okay, I'm tracing a circle with this my glass cup. Okay, so after tracing, I'll be cutting it out with my scissors. I'll be cutting the circles out with my scissors. So at elastic stitches, nothing goes waste. We reuse everything. Our cards, our Ankara pieces and everything. We reuse them. You need to take your time so that the shape will come out well. Okay, we are done with one. Okay, take your time so that the shape can come out very well. Okay, so this is what we have. We are not going to use this one. We'll save this for another time. There's the fabric we'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, so at this point we'll on our glue gun so that it will be getting hot. Okay, so we'll cut the fabrics. Okay, make sure you get the front and the back of this Ankara. So there's the front. I'm folding it into two so that I will get two pieces. And mind you, the Ankara you are going to cut should be bigger than the card you have. The Ankara should be bigger than the card, like this. So this is what we have. We have two of them. Okay, and after that we'll need to cut a smaller one. We are going to cut two as well, smaller pieces. That one should be smaller, a little bit smaller than the card, or the exact size of the card. Okay, that's what we have. I want to trim it a little bit so that it will be a little bit smaller than the card I have. That's what we'll be using to close the back of the earring. So as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the card. Okay, so in this plate we have our earring hook. This is what we'll be fixing. And I bought this small circled metal. I don't know what it's called though. I got it from the market, those who sell the earring stuffs. And so I will be joining it to the earring hook to give it an extension so that the earring can be dangling very well. So I already have that here, as you can see. Okay, so our glue gun is hot, so we'll start with the earring. Now we are going to divide the pieces into two. This is the back, this is the back too. These parts are the fronts. So one here, one here. Then we'll divide the card on each of them. And the smaller ones, one will go for this and the other one here. Okay, so first apply the glue at the back of the card. Then place it gently on the fabric, the bigger fabric. Yeah. Make sure it sticks to it. See? So after that, you start applying your glue here. You want to cover the card with the fabric. Make sure you pull it very well so that the shape of the card will show very neatly. Let's continue covering. Okay. Okay. Pull it very well. and cover it. Hmm. So we are done covering the front part. That's what we have. Okay. So we now want to fix the earring hook. So get a perfect spot. Apply the glue. Then you put your earring hook. Make sure this pointed part, the one you'll be fixing in your ear, let it face you. Then you put it on the glue gently. Okay. You can apply more glue. Then you cover that part up with a smaller circle you cut a while ago. Okay, like this. Then after that, we'll finish it up. We'll close it up, just as we did to the front. So we'll apply more glue. Then we'll pull it and make sure it covers the raw edges of the front Ankara. Okay, let's pull it well. Make sure you press it. Give it a little pressure. Yeah, and our earring is ready. Very simple. Very, very simple. Let's do the second one. We'll apply our glue. Place it on the fabric. Okay. Then we close it up. Make sure you pull it. Pull, pull, pull. So that the shape will come out very well and neat. That's what we have. We apply the glue. Place your earring hook on it. Add more glue. And you cover it up with a smaller Ankara. Okay. Then continue applying the glue. Close it up. So as you are watching, make sure you like my videos and then you also subscribe to this page so that whenever I drop a video, you would be the first to watch. So our earrings are ready. Yeah, very simple tutorial, right? And you can cut any shape you want and any size you want. I have these shapes here. Any shape at all you want, you can cut the card to your satisfaction. See, you can cut any shape at all you want, and it's very beautiful. You can match it with your dresses. And so make sure you follow me anytime because I'll be dropping a lot of fashion tips for you, a lot of tutorials.